What's the biggest loss you've experienced in business?
150 million. Some of these young people, they gamble a lot, so it affects them, their capital or their money. Instead of saving, they don't have savings. Some people who have shops sold off their shop because of gamble. So there are a lot of things that could lead to that failure.
When did you have your major breakthrough in this business?
After Fashola cleared the whole containers in Computer Village.
Fashola cleared the whole containers in Computer Village?
Yeah.
When was that? Can you say the most amount of money your business generates in a month?
100 million.
Why do you think people fail in business?
They fail because they don't, I feel...
What is the biggest challenge you face in this business so far?
Exchange rate.
Exchange rate. How has it impacted your business?
It's...
Right now, we're in the heartbeat of Lagos commerce, Ikeja. This city isn't just known for traffic, it's the engine room of innovation, hustle, and transformation. And behind this traffic are men and women who have built wealth from the scratch. This is Selahmeditate Street Business Credibility, SBC, where we look for successful entrepreneurs who have built businesses from scratch. I remain your host, Benzik. And it's your first time of coming to this channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the post notification so that you can be the first to get these episodes when we drop them. So come with me and let's go get them. What line of business are you?
I'm into gadgets, mobile phones, laptops. We do services too.
How long have you been in this business?
17 years.
Did you start it all in this Ikeja here, or you started from somewhere?
From Computer Village.
From Ikeja. What gives you the idea to start up this line of business?
My dad has been into the business before I came in, electronics. So I came over to join my brother. That's how the whole thing started.
What's the capital you used to start this business?
At first I started with just 12,000 naira.
How did you get the 12,000?
My savings.
How did you use it to start? What did it buy for you? What did you do for you?
I started with laptop chargers. I do buy them for 1,500. Now sell for 6,000. That's how I grew my capital.
So for you to start with 12,000 and to grow to this massive expansion that you have here, definitely there are things that you did. So what are the strategies that helped you to succeed in business?
I keep doing the right thing, have good record, and I take people's goods. I make sure I return them back or I pay them.
What are the right things? What do you describe as the right things?
Being trustworthy and keeping to my words. Some people don't know how to keep to their words. They don't have integrity. That helps a lot because people can trust you and give you goods worth a lot of money, and you sell, make a profit, and return back their money. But if you don't have that record, that track record, then everything is bad for you.
When did you have your major breakthrough in this business?
After Fashola cleared the whole containers in Computer Village.
Fashola cleared the whole containers in Computer Village?
Yeah.
When was that?
During this regime now. When he came around, when he was the governor, he came and he cleared the whole stores. So I was on the streets. Then when he cleared the stores, I still remained. And luckily for me, I got a place. That was my first shop I had. That's how everything's changed.
Okay, that was what gave you a breakthrough?
Yeah.
Because people left?
Yeah.
Are you serious? So it now gave you an opportunity to see where to slot in? What can you say you made your first 1 million in this business?
Oh, that was a long time ago. Maybe 2009, 2010.
2009, 2010. So you started 2007. Then by 2009, 2010, you've made your first 1 million. What is the biggest challenge you face in this business so far?
Exchange rate.
Exchange rate. How has it impacted your business?
It's been tough. When I started importing, I used to buy dollar for 195, but now I buy dollar for 1,480, 490, 500. So it's been hard dealing with exchange.
Have you ever felt like giving up?
Never.
Never. So what has been your driving force in business?
There's always this thing I say to myself, there's hot and there's cold, just like a season. When it's hard today, tomorrow it's going to be better. So whenever it's hard, I just give it time and to just pass.
How do you handle competition in this Ikeja when it seems like every person is doing the same thing?
Everywhere there's competition. So you just have to understand that it's going to be like that all the time. Just make sure you give the right product, make sure you have a good price, then make sure you have good relationship with your customers so they'll keep returning and referring people back to you.
Now you started with more like 12,000 in 2007. Now with the expectations of a business, for people to understand how far you've grown now, what can you say is the most amount of money your business generates in a month?
100 million.
How do you handle business credibility for people to tend to trust you? Because like you said, if I'm coming to Ikeja and I have this mindset of I may fall into some hand of scammers, how do you handle business credibility for people to always trust you and always come back to your business knowing that they're getting the right thing?
When you know what you sell and you sell the right products, when your customers buy and they are cool with it, they will always come back and they'll refer anybody who wants to come and buy, who wants to get gadgets. I try my best not to compromise with my quality. I make sure I give you the best and I tell what it is. If it's this is this, if it's that, is that, So
Okay, is this your only office or you have other branches?
I have other branches.
So how do you handle expansion, and at what point do you know you need to expand to open more other branches?
Expansion is something that normal, it must come. Once you're doing the right thing, you will keep growing. So when you grow, get to a point, you see your space is no longer, you need to expand, you need to live. So when the time comes, we try our best to get our stores in a very better places where people can easily reach us.
What are your strategies for managing those branches to ensure that criminals don't suck you dry?
Try to get the right people, but it's not that easy getting them. Even when you trust them so much, they still will mess up. Even your brothers can disappoint you too. But we try our best. We can never keep trying. We can't say because they will steal, so we don't need to expand. We just have to expand, and if they're not good, we let them go, get other people to replace them.
Did you come from a very wealthy background or from poor family?
My dad was just a normal businessman. He does his importation, he travels, and he does his electronic business. I came from a normal level. I started my own because they all believe I wasn't good for it. They wanted me to go to school, but I said no, I want to do business. So
are you serious?
So they all saw me like a bad sheep from the family. So as I started very little, 12,000 naira, because it was my own money. Time go for today.
Wow, so that means you didn't go to school?
I didn't go to school.
Where did you stop?
Secondary school.
Are you able to speak this eloquently?
Thank God. I grew up in Lagos.
If someone is thinking of going to school or to start up a business like you, what would you advise?
School is very important, but things that work for me may not work for the next person. But thank God for everything. Anything, just do the right thing. I knew school was not for me, but I needed this money, so I came to the street to hustle.
Do you invest everything or you diversify?
I'm switching to other businesses because you can't just be here forever. Now I'm also into real estate. I also do car business, and I'm still here doing gadgets.
If you have to start up all over again, what would be your first move?
I think raising capital will be here, but because real estate is not a business, it's not small money. You need a lot of money to do it. So I'll still come back here because there's money here. There's money here. Even with little money, you can still grow from here.
What makes here different and better than places like Alaba, Lagos Island, and things like that?
I can't really say about those places because I didn't do business there. Here, if you don't have money, just have the right people and have the market. You have those to sell to. You can grow from here.
What are the major mistakes you make in business that other people can learn from?
Investing wrongly.
How? What's practical example?
Trusting people too much can bring you down. I have invested wrongly to some people and they defrauded me. So it affected my business, but I never gave up. I kept on pushing hard. Wow, doing the wrong thing, wrong investment always will bring you down.
How do you mean invested in people? Is it when it comes to you bring them closer and they robbed you, or you give them money?
I gave them money and they didn't deliver.
For you?
Buy me products and they went away with the money.
What's the biggest loss you've experienced in this business?
150 million.
And then you give someone that money, he ran away with it.
Yeah.
How did you handle that to bounce back?
Well, we thank God for
that.
That
was when? How long ago now?
Just last year, December.
You lost 150 million naira to a scammer. Is it someone that's related to you?
Just a distant friend, but not so. But he moved to Canada and I trusted him and I gave him the money.
And you could no longer reach him. Wow.
He even came back, arrested him, bribed the police, went back. Nigeria is so fucked up. Its system is so fucked up.
Wow. Now, I want to get it. What was your major breakthrough financially that helped you to scale immediately from one shop to start opening branches?
With the support of my suppliers, I started importing a long time ago. They trust me and they gave me goods on credit, so it helped boost my money. The major switch I had was switching to gadgets. Then I used to do accessories, so I switched to gadgets, and that was during COVID. So that was the major place where everything got changed. Dealing with just being straightforward. Your suppliers or whoever you're dealing with will trust you more and give you more goods. It's just like giving you a loan without collateral. But we'll still go to banks to help us for the killers.
Based on your experience so far already, what can you say is the blueprint that can help anybody coming into Ikeja to start up a business, that can help the person to succeed? Like a 3-point blueprint.
Capital.
I'm question how financial capital.
Right now, it's not like Nigeria now. It's not like Nigeria that year. So you need capital to grow faster.
Wow.
So no capital, if you just take your time. I pray to God. God anything is possible. But you have to work hard.
Why do you think we have a lot of poor people in this part of the world?
Because they don't work hard.
They don't work hard. So you think the system
and they don't work
is
smart.
The problem is the people, is the individual?
I feel the system is also the problem. But some of them just believe they just go to church or somewhere and money will come. Money don't fall down from heaven. You have to work hard, you have to work smart, do the right thing, be at the right key into the right track, and everything will work fine with God.
When you say many of them are not working hard, How can you give a potential example of people that are coming into business that are not working hard to grow enough?
On the business, Computer Village is big, and there are lots of things you can do here. Some people here sell just gadgets, some sell accessories, some are into repairs. You need to be with the right people to know what's going on and what to buy. Information is key and power. So if you're not well informed on what to do, what is moving, you'll be just there wasting time.
In this business, what is more important, who you know or what you know?
Both works.
Both. Explain it.
Who you know will help you connect you if they want to connect you to the right things to buy and the right suppliers to meet. And what you know is also help you guide and push you through.
Which is more important?
Both are important. People have come and left, while some people are still here for long. So you can come in without cash, and being with the right people, you will grow.
How do you build the right people and the right contacts, connections that will help you to grow in business?
The right people, you know them, they are your friends or people you look up to.
When you started in Ikeja here, you didn't have friends. When you came here with nothing, like 12,000.
I came here. I stayed with my brother for some months. I observed and saw that he doesn't say some things, and I started buying those things. So that was how I grew. I started. They didn't tell me go and buy this and start selling. I decided to sell this because I knew customers were coming for those items and he does not have it in his shop. So I started buying those items locally, and that was how I started.
Why do you think people fail in business?
They fail because they don't have patience, or they're not different things can lead to their failure. One, they could be, maybe they're not trustworthy, they are not straightforward, and they don't believe they can grow. Some just want it once, but it doesn't work that way. It's just a steady thing. You just have to be consistent in whatever you're doing. It's slow and steady movement. And some of these young people, they gamble a lot, so it affects them, their capital or their money. Instead of saving, they don't have savings. Some people who have shops sold off their shop because of gamble. So there are a lot of things that could lead to their failure. It's just your kind of person and what you want and the goal, the way you're going to.
What's your blueprint for financial management that will help you to save and to grow your business?
Just save no matter how little you can. Just keep saving. Don't look down on your business. Make sure you see like you're all and all.
When has been your toughest season so far since this business?
After losing that money.
When that thing happened, did you feel like giving up your business, or did you feel depressed or anything like that?
I felt bad. I trusted him and defrauded me that way. He even came to meet me in China, all the way from Canada. So it was so bad that someone I trusted like that. And so it was a bad time, but I didn't give up. And something in me that I always know that there are always good time and bad time. So I just see that part of one of the bad times, and it will always get better. And thank God I'm here, smiling and
you're able to overcome that kind of challenge. You know, that kind of thing can throw up some people off business completely.
Yeah. Well, it tried its best, but God passed them.
Now, working in Ikeja, do you think there's something the government can do to improve the working condition of this environment, or you think everything is going on as it needs to be fine?
I think the government needs to come in to help us put the things, put things right, because there are a lot of things that are going on wrong here in Computer Village. The rate of shop rent here is crazy. The security here is not that tight. I need them to look into these banks with their interest rates. It's so high and it's affecting us. We trade with bank money these days because gadget business is not just a small money business. We need finance to run it properly. But when we take this loan from bank and what we get to pay back, is like we're just working for them. At the end, there's nothing coming for us, so it's not so good. So we need them to look into that part too. Okay,
one key important question is how you got your customers. What are your strategies of getting customers to patronize your business?
These days, getting customers, it's different from back then. Back then, when we just have your stores at the right spots, right location, they will walk in and get it. But now, people don't just come on. Those people don't come to the store anymore. They get to order online. So things are changing.
So, Professor, what's your best top 3 advice I can give to anybody out there, or any business person out there that's looking up to you or that is thinking to start a business and succeed in it? What are your top 3 advice for anybody out there?
Whatever they want to do, they should just do it right. Be patient, be straightforward, and pray to God. Everything will work out fine.
Thank you so much. What's the name, sir?
Victor Onnekama.
Name of your business?
Gadget Home.
Thank you so very much for this inspiring session you shared. You're welcome.
So if you get value from this video, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on the post notification. I remain your host, Benzik, and this is Selahmeditate Street Business Credibility, SBC, where we'll interview successful entrepreneurs who have built their businesses from scratch and get the nitty-gritty that help them to succeed, so that you can also learn and succeed in your own sphere of influence. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers.